Today I'm going to be removing all of the sheetrock from the walls that we've decided to take down. I ran a razor blade along the top where the wall meets the ceiling to prevent less tear out on the ceiling sheetrock. I'm just using a pry bar to separate the sheetrock from the wall. The screws just stay on the wall and the sheetrock just breaks around the screws. Here's the grass cloth wallpaper I mentioned earlier. I'm not sure when this stuff was made, maybe the 60s or 70s, but it's pretty cool. I'm gonna save it and maybe use it for a later project. Here I'm taking apart the door jamb from the living room to the kitchen. I thought it was pretty interesting they had insulation in there. More grass cloth wallpaper with a different print on it. Here I'm removing the crown molding from the hallway. Just use a razor blade again and a pry bar. And now more sheetrock. I'm using my impact to remove the old screws that are left on the wall. And another door jamb. Now I'm taking out all the old sheetrock screws that were left in the shiplap. I wanted to do my best to not ruin the shiplap, so here I'm removing hundreds, maybe thousands of nails, one by one. The boards are lapped over each other and the nails are hidden in between the laps, making this process take even longer. I cheated a little bit and used my Sawzall wherever I could, and it sped the process up a little bit. And now the room is starting to open up and the house is starting to feel bigger. There's definitely a lot more natural light flowing in and I'm loving it.